Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel TAL storage solutions. Are your cleaning supplies in multiple places? Under the sink, under the laundry tub, in the garage? This is a Vauth Sagel VS TAL Broom, a very cool unit specifically designed to hold a broom and your cleaning supplies. It's perfect to get those cleaning supplies out of other areas and keep together in one easy to access place. Pull-out units like this rely on the quality of the runners they slide on, and Vauth Sagel units are built on high quality, heavy duty soft close runners. The units are designed and made in Germany for a lifetime of use. This one requires very little space, a cabinet just 150mm wide. There's left and right access versions, so if you're installing at the end of cabinetry hard up against a wall, you'll need to select the correct one. It's ideal for installation in your cabinetry in your kitchen, your laundry, hall or garage. Anywhere that's convenient for you to keep your cleaning supplies, as a matter of fact. The TAL Broom comes with 5 shelves and 4 of these 1.2 litre plastic trays. Details about the size of the broom it can hold are on Fit's website, but most brooms made for domestic use will be fine. And a couple of points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. This unit has easy 3D adjustment on the front, even after installation. Just a simple turn with a screwdriver to move it up, down, in, out, left, right. And it features Vauth Sagel's Easy Fit system, which means no tools required for fitting the frame onto the guides.